Here's a full quality control pass in Archi Check, from opening the folder to exporting the register. Archi Check works across two windows. This is the workspace, screen 1. Open the folder your PDF drawings already live in, and the whole set loads straight from the shared drive, ready to browse, comment, and track. The second window is the Markup screen, screen 2, made for your other monitor. Here you review the drawing and draw the issue. Pick the cloud, place it over the clash, and type the note. It becomes comment C4 in the register the moment you place it. Assign it to whoever fixes it and move it through the workflow. Open, in progress, ready to check, with roles deciding who can do what. Meanwhile, a teammate is reviewing the same set on the shared drive. Their comments just appear. No server, no overwrites. One register for everyone. With every comment resolved, the set is corrected and complete. Export, and the clean register and marked up PDF stand as your evidence, written beside the files. Your originals are never touched. Archi Check. Quality control, right where your drawings live.